A Belgian couple noticed that their 1-year-old Amy cries a lot when she sleeps with them, but is quiet when she sleeps in another room with their dog, which made them let her sleep daily with that dog. This wonderful and loyal dog was interested in the child a lot during the day, but he protects and plays tirelessly, and he brings him toys and silence when she cries. Whenever the baby cried, the dog began to move in all directions and caressed and played with her until the cry of that baby turned into laughter. The strange thing is that at night the dog is more interested in the girl, where he makes sure to make her sleep and then lie in front of her and sleep as well. And once the child makes a sound or moves from her place, so that the dog's standing in front of her in her service. The mother took a video of this unique dog and posted it on social networking sites, where everyone was surprised by the way the dog deals with that baby, and the intimate relationship between them, whether night or day, as the passage showed how the dog's mood changes and became fierce when someone tries to approach the girl, except his mother or father. One of the videos the mother took at night was the most beautiful, showing how the baby woke up in the middle of the night and began to cry. Then the dog stood at the child's head and began to lick and surround her from all sides, trying to silence her. And when he lost hope of that, quickly went to the kitchen and brought the bottle of milk for the baby, and then placed it in the hand of the infant and put it in her mouth, amid the surprise of the mother, who decided to stay quiet and only watch what happens. The baby calmed down as soon as she grabbed the milk bottle that the dog brought to her and drank it. When she fell asleep and left it on her chest, the dog carried it and brought it back to its place in the kitchen. The mother said when she published the video about this beautiful story that happened with her child and the dog, who is so keen about everything related to his close friend, that he discovers that the young is urinated or defecated, and then comes to her and stays hovering around and goes to change the diapers of the young. She added that the dog sometimes refuses to eat when he notices that the baby cannot eat, and this only happens when Amy is sick.